Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 10 Java projects that cover a wide range of difficulties. These projects have been selected to provide you with the opportunity to build an impressive professional portfolio. We will start with a simple project, and as we progress, we will increase the complexity until we reach more advanced projects. I hope these suggestions inspire you and encourage you to put your skills into practice. Let's get started. We begin with the CGPA calculator. This project is a great starting point for those who are new to Java programming. The idea is to create an application that allows students to calculate their cumulative grade point average, an important metric for evaluating academic performance. The application will require users to enter their grades and corresponding credits for each course. Using a simple weighted average formula, the program will return the final CGPA. This project not only introduces fundamental programming concepts like variables and loops, but also provides an excellent opportunity to work with user input and exception handling. It's a project that may seem simple but offers multiple avenues for expanding functionality, such as the ability to save data to a file or visualize performance trends over time. The second project we will discuss is the Snake game. This is a classic arcade game example that is not only fun to implement but also a great opportunity to delve into object-oriented programming techniques. You can use graphical libraries like JavaSwing or JavaFX to draw the snake, the food, and the playing field. The game logic will require implementing an algorithm for the snake's movement, as well as handling collisions with food and walls. You will also need to develop a function to keep track of the score and update the display in real time. This project will not only help you improve your technical skills, but will also teach you how to optimize code and manage program complexity as the game grows. Next, we move on to the job portal. This is an intermediate-level project that offers a great introduction to web programming. You will create an application that allows users to register, create a profile, and search for job offers. You will need to design a database to store user information and job listings. Implementing search functionality and filters will be crucial, as will allowing users to save their favorite offers. This project will help you understand the architecture of web applications, working with Java servlets and JSP. Additionally, you will delve into input validation techniques and security management, making the application more robust and ready for real-world use. The fourth project is an online library. This is a library management system that allows users to search for, borrow, and return books. You will need to implement an intuitive user interface that allows users to browse various titles. You will use Java to manage the business logic and a database to store information about books and users. You could also include book review features, where users can leave feedback on the titles they have read. This project is ideal for practicing the interaction between front-end and back-end and for refining your data management skills. The fifth project is a bug tracking system. Here, you will develop an application that allows users to report bugs in software, assign them to team members, and track their status. This project is particularly useful for software companies, as it improves efficiency in the development process. You will implement a notification system to alert developers when a bug is assigned to them. You will also need to design a dashboard that shows the status of open, closed, and in-progress bugs, providing a clear overview of the team's activities. This project not only tests your technical skills, but also teaches you how to work in a team and manage projects more efficiently. Now we move on to a more complex project, an email system. In this case, you will create an email client that allows users to send and receive messages. You will use libraries like JavaMail to manage the SMTP and IMAP protocols, implementing a user interface that enables users to compose messages, manage folders, and view received emails. You will need to pay particular attention to security, ensuring that user credentials are protected. This project is a great way to deepen your knowledge of network protocols and communication between applications. The seventh project is a social networking platform. In this case, you will develop an application that allows users to register, add friends, and share updates. You will need to manage a database to store information about users, posts, and interactions among them. You could implement features like likes and comments, as well as the ability to create groups and manage events. This project is very ambitious and will give you the opportunity to explore the latest technologies for building web applications, such as REST APIs and authentication technologies. The 8th project is a spending management system. This is a practical project where users can keep track of their monthly expenses. You will create a user-friendly interface that allows users to add, edit, and delete expenses. You will implement charts and reports to visualize expenses over time, giving users the ability to see where they are spending the most. You could also include budgeting features, allowing users to set limits for different spending categories. This project is useful for understanding how to manage complex data and present information in a visually appealing way. Finally, we arrive at the most complex project, an e-commerce website. In this project, you will develop a complete application where users can browse products, add items to their cart, and complete purchases. You will need to implement secure payment functionality, manage product reviews, and provide advanced search options. You will use technologies like Spring Boot for the back-end and a framework like React or Angular for the front-end. This project will not only challenge your technical skills, but also demonstrate your ability to manage a complex project from start to finish, addressing challenges related to scalability and security. I hope these 10 projects inspire you and motivate you to put your Java skills into practice. Each project will not only help you improve your technical skills, but also provide practical experiences that will be essential for your professional journey. Remember that practice is key to becoming a competent developer, so don't hesitate to challenge yourself. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.